So, yun. Palakpakan natin Sir Yuni. So, may na-retain bang information? Kanina, kahit pa paano. Konti. So, magiging available naman siya sa forum. So, kung may internet connection po kayo ngayon, mas maganda na mag-register na kayo. So, if you have questions, mas ma-entertain po kayo dun sa forums kasi nandun na lahat ng lessons. Basically, we're just explaining this to you personally. Pero after this, you can access the lessons sa forums po. Okay? So, yun. Let's start the high school level. So, yung i-discuss po natin dito is the navigation on the MP4 platform. Kasi even if you know the price is going up or down, pero you don't know how to navigate the MP4, right? Wala rin. So, how are you supposed to buy or sell, to place an order, and so on and so forth? So, the trading platform is one of the most popular trading platforms available today. So, karamihan ng brokers, ang gamit po nila is MP4. So, parang siyang generic na yun yung tool natin para makapag-trade. Yung iba, advanced, or yung iba sa Android phones, yung iba sa Mac, iba. Pero yan yung pinaka-general na platform. Okay. So, for now, ang pinapromote naming brokers is FX Primus and Iron FX. Okay, tried and tested. I also use FX Primus and Iron FX. And the next one. So, ito yung outline natin sa i-discuss ko sa high school level. MP4 installation and basics. Okay. Orders and terminal window, and then using types of orders. So first is you have to download the software. Lahat ba na nakapag-download na? It's very easy, right? So you just have to download it from the website. So ironfx.com or FXPeops. So yeah. This is the link for those of you na hindi pa nakapag-download ng MP4. Would you like to copy it? So madali lang. https www.fxprimus.com/genfile. So, okay, sorry. Or you can simply go to IronFX and then download MP4. Are we done? So, open a demo account. Sino dyan yung mga may internet? Would you like to try? Well, I will explain. So for now, gagawin natin is demo account since dangerous naman kung magla-live kayo kaagad. So, simple lang. On your top left, in the top left corner of your MP4 platform, meron dyan file. Okay, file tab. All you have to do is left-click on the file tab and then select open an account. Okay? Open an account. And then, may magpa-pop up na personal details. You have to fill it up na, kahit hindi yung name nyo, kasi demo lang naman siya. Kahit anong trip, yan, Juan de la Cruz. And then, the important thing here is that you have to check yung box na I agree to subscribe to your newsletters. And then, click next. Okay. Click next. And then, you have to choose a server. Obviously, kung ano yung mag-pop up doon na demo server, you just have to click on it and then click next. Okay, after that, you have to write down yung login and then password. Okay, yung login, username, and your password. Or you can simply copy-paste it and then save it sa notepad. Okay? So, and then click finish. So, meron na tayong demo account. Mamaya, after nung discussion na to, papakita ko sa inyo paano gawin yung demo account. Okay? So, platform orientation. So, this is what the MP4 looks like. Chart properties. So, di ba yung default ng MP4 natin, color black? And then color green. If you want to change the colors, you can right-click on the chart and then press Properties. Okay? Try to right-click on the black background and then click properties, magkakaroon ng magpa-pop up yung properties ng chart, and then you can choose between the three. Yan, yellow on black, green on black, or black on white. Okay. And then may mga custom colors pa sa kanan. Next. And then you can click on the common tab. Di ba yung colors? Okay, first is yung colors, and then click on the other tab, yung common, yung sa right side. Click candlesticks. Okay, yung kaninang pinag-aralan nyo. And then check period separators. Pag sinabi yung period separators, kung H1 yung time frame mo, it's the previous day. Kung D1 yung gamit mo per day, it's the previous week. Okay? And then uncheck show grid. Okay? Mamaya papakita ko paano. And then placing an order, you have to click new order or F9 button. Kanyari, nakita nyo, tumataas. Pwede nyo itry, new order. Right? Or sell, new order. And then, ito yung magpa-pop up. Once you click new order, nandiyan yung bid and ask price, nandiyan yung symbol kung anong currency, yung volume, yan yung lot size, kung ilan yung willing mong i-risk, and then there's the buy and sell button. Okay? The volume and the lot size. The stop loss and take profit. Stop loss means yun yung allowable loss mo. Yun yung money willing to risk. Na if ever it reaches to that price, kunyari nag-reverse, you bet buy but it went down, yun lang yung threshold mo. Okay? Take profit is the point wherein i-close mo na yung order mo na yun na yung profit mo. Next. Current sell and buy prices. Instant sell and buy order. Ayan. So kapag nakapag-buy ka na, nakapag-execute ka na ng trade, like for example, as you can see, yung order na to, it's a buy, right? Buy order, nakita nyo? Sa type, this one. Yan. Okay? So may magpa-pop up sa ilalim ng MT4, ganyan yung itsura niya, if it's a buy. And then, if you want to put a stop loss, you have to right-click on this order, and then modify or delete order. Am I too fast? Somehow? Yes. Okay. So, register tayo sa forums. Okay. Modify or delete order. Kunyari, may nag-pop up na ng order. I-right-click mo siya doon, yung highlighted, kaya siya color blue. Right-click, modify or delete order, and then, you have to place the price of the stop loss. Okay? Yan yung threshold na allowable loss mo. Stop loss. And then, kapag nalipat mo ng amount, you just have to click modify. Closing an order, it's the same thing. As you can see, the profit, it's 75 pips. All you have to do is highlight on that order. You will right-click on it, and then close order. Pag nag-close order ka, may lalabas na pop-up na ganito yung itsura niya. And then when you click close, yung yellow bar, it will automatically close. Ayan. So, papakita ko siya using the MT4. Ayan. So, when opening a demo, again, file, lahat naman marunong mag-install, right? Mas walang problem yung hindi marunong mag-install. Click file, and then open an account, right? Kahit ano na ilagay mo dyan, and then all you have to do is agree. Next. So, ito lang naman yung server, right? Then click next. Let's wait for it. So, you can jot down your login username, your password, and then click finish. So, yung papakita ko naman is yung sa properties. So, this is the chart. Imagine nyo na lang na
incoming mail.
Gawin natin default. right-click on the chart, left-click on properties, click on properties, and then yung colors. If you want to change the color, it's here on the drop-down box. Okay? Kung gusto niyo pang i-modify laling colors, pwede niyo tingnan yun dito. Like, for example, bull candle is gold. Bear candle is green. Okay? It represents money and prosperity. Okay? So, yung sa common, dapat naka-check yung show period separators. Yung show grid default kasi naka-check yan, dapat naka-uncheck. Okay? And then, placing an order. So, if you want to place an order, for example, this trade, you think that it will go up, left-click on new order. So, this will pop up, right? And then eventually, you can put the lot size or the volume. So, for example, we wanted to buy. All you have to do is left-click on buy. Okay, so order execution successful. Then press OK. Left-click on OK. If hindi nyo nakikita yung sa ilalim, view terminal. And then the trade. Click on trade. What's happening? Ayan. So for example, this one, we have an open order. Nakita nyo negative 12 pips. Right? So, i-highlight mo siya, left-click, modify or delete order. Okay, you can put stop loss. Stop loss, like for example, gusto natin ilagay dyan is 129, and then left-click on modify. Right? So, as you can see, yung green line, dyan tayo nag-enter ng buy. MT4. Okay? Yung green line, dyan tayo nag-enter ng buy. Tapos yung stop loss natin, nilagay natin sa price na 129. It's the red dotted lines. Are we clear? Can you follow, guys? Okay. Yes or no? May halo. Pero, at least, medyo aware na kayo later on sa forums. So, pwede rin yung modify or delete order, tapos may take profit. For example, take profit natin is 130 yung price. Ibig sabihin, pag yung price nag-reach sa 130, i-automatic close niya yung order. Okay? Parang winning trade. This one is the take profit. Okay? Walan pa ng internet. Ayan. So, dito, yung price. So, kapag i-close mo naman siya, left-click on the terminal, press right-click, and then close order. Okay. When you want to close an order, you just click this yellow bar. For example, kunwari, positive na yan, kaso negative na yan. Mamaya, magpa-positive yan. Okay? If you want to close an order, you have to click this one. So, right-click, and then close order, then left-click on close order. Ayan. So, yun lang for now, yung sa high school level. Next level. So, we have a break. So, mga 10 minutes or 20-minute break. And then, you have to get an agreement, non-disclosure agreement kay Sir Yuri dun sa paper. So don't worry. Sa Facebook groups, magpo-post ng ilang videos for MT4 navigation and sa forums. Okay? Pero for now, at least medyo aware na kayo. Kapag nakita nyo na yung video or yung sa forums, medyo mag-get search. Okay? So, break muna para pahinga-pahinga.